If you don't have money, I've got something that could change your financial situation, and it's backed by science and proven strategies. First things first, let's talk about why money problems are so common. According to a study by the American Psychological Association, nearly 72% of Americans feel stressed about money at least some of the time. And it's not just about having too little. It's also about managing what you have. So, what's the solution? It's called financial literacy. Financial literacy is the ability to understand and effectively use various financial skills, including personal financial management, budgeting, and investing. But wait, hear me out. This isn't just about cutting back on lattes or pinching pennies. It's about empowering yourself with knowledge. Here's how it works. According to research from Harvard Business School, individuals who have higher financial literacy are less likely to experience financial stress and more likely to make better financial decisions. This means they can save more, invest wisely, and ultimately build wealth over time. So, how can you improve your financial literacy? Let's break it down into 3 actionable steps. Step 1. Educate yourself. Start by reading books on personal finance. I highly recommend Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki and The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. These books provide fundamental insights into managing and growing your money. Step 2. Budgeting. Use budgeting tools like Mint, or You Need a Budget, an app, to track your income and expenses. A study from the National Endowment for Financial Education shows that people who budget are more likely to pay bills on time and save for the future. And step 3. Investing. Don't just save your money. Make it work for you. Consider low-cost index funds, which Warren Buffett himself recommends. According to Vanguard, these funds often outperform actively managed funds over the long term, with lower fees and better returns. Remember, investing isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building wealth steadily over time. Start with small, consistent investments and let compound interest do the rest. By improving your financial literacy, you can take control of your money and build a secure financial future. So, even if you don't have a lot of money right now, you have the power to change that. Empower yourself with knowledge, make informed decisions, and watch your financial situation improve. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might need it. And remember to subscribe for more tips and advice on living your best life. Until next time, take care